In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zendesk Knowledge Base. We'll walk through a simple path that starts in your Zendesk home screen and ends with you confidently finding the articles you need. The goal is to get you to the official help center quickly, then show you how to search effectively so you can solve problems faster and stay focused on your work. Begin on your Zendesk home screen. This is the main dashboard where you typically manage tickets and view your workspace. Make sure you can see the top navigation bar. That's where the menu you need lives. Nothing fancy here. Just start from the familiar place you already use every day. Next, move to the top right corner and click your profile icon. In the menu that appears, choose Help. This is Zendesk's built-in doorway to support resources. Depending on your theme, it may be labeled slightly differently or appear alongside a question mark icon, but it serves the same purpose. It points you to the Help Center content that supports your account. Selecting Help doesn't change anything about your tickets or settings. It simply opens guidance in a safe space so you can look up answers as you go. From there, click Go to Web Portal. This opens the Help Center in your browser, often in a new tab. Think of the web portal as the public-facing knowledge base for your brand or instance. It's designed for quick discovery, clean layout, clear categories, and a prominent search field at the top. If you land on a branded homepage, that's normal. The knowledge base sits right behind it. Once the page loads, use the search bar to type your question or a few strong keywords related to Zendesk's knowledge base. Keep it focused and action-oriented, like create an article, organize sections, or set article permissions. Start broad if you're unsure, then refine with more specific terms, such as the feature name or the area you're working in. The results page will surface articles, guides, and sometimes community posts. Scan the titles and short descriptions to match your intent, then open the best fit. Inside an article, check the last updated date to gauge freshness and use the breadcrumbs at the top to understand where it sits within the Help Center. If the answer isn't quite right, adjust your keywords and try again. Small tweaks make a big difference. When you find something valuable, consider bookmarking it for quick access later or noting key steps in your internal documentation so your team benefits too. That's all there is to it. Start in your Zendesk home, open Help from the profile icon, go to the web portal, and search the knowledge base with clear, targeted keywords. With this workflow, reliable answers are only a few clicks away.